The EPOMAKER Galaxy100 Wireless Gaming Keyboard offers a sophisticated aluminum design that enhances both its durability and typing stability. Featuring a gasket-mounted structure and pre-lubed linear switches, this keyboard provides a satisfying and quiet typing experience, perfect for gamers and typists alike. With QMK and VIA support, the Galaxy100 allows for extensive customization, making it ideal for users who want to personalize their key mapping and macros. The Galaxy100's powerful 8,000 milliampere-hour battery ensures long-lasting wireless performance, allowing for extended gaming sessions without frequent recharging. This keyboard's hot-swappable feature enables easy switch replacement, catering to keyboard enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting with different switch types. South-facing RGB backlighting on the Galaxy100 enhances its aesthetic appeal, offering customizable lighting options for an immersive gaming environment.